And at the end of education, if we are not able to ensure that perhaps we are failing in education, to make that happen, NEP also stresses a lot on this. We should empower. What do we mean by empower? Empowerment is basically equipping our students with resources where they can achieve whatever they want to achieve. So that is one of the visions of the government under our leadership of our Chief Minister, our Minister.
Our talents, our courageous must go beyond the boundary of our state, our reason, at the end of the day, tomorrow and the day after. We will be the pillar of the state, of the reason, and of the country. We may have to compete at the global level, and we have to build the nation, and we have to take our step forward.
First of all, I would like to greet our Honorable Chief Minister, all the dignitaries present here, my fellow students, and respectful teachers. The SPARK program was held at our school last year, and I did not think it would have such an impact on me personally, because I thought it would just be one of those programs.
Was mistake. To be kind to myself, I start learning how to introduce myself. I start sharing my thought, even if it's just a little. From SPARK, I received some special courage, not
to express themselves, to even say even in their own language. It just hurts us as teachers. But thank you so much, sir, for this program. And we have seen the explanation of the program, the presentation of the program. We really look forward, especially in the rural areas. And I've seen our own students. They have really come up to where they were and to what they are now. For those classes 8, 9, and 10 last year who had participated in the program.